Hi, I'm Amber Wessies, Instruction Librarian at Union University. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most of a Google Scholar search. Google is great for finding information like, how much does an elephant weigh? But you may need more information than that when you're researching for an assignment. So you might want to try one of Union's many databases or even Google Scholar. So let's look at some tips for making the most of a Google Scholar search. Tip number 1, let Google Scholar know which library you have access to. To do this, we're going to click on the 3 lines and then the settings option. Next, click on the Library Links option, then search for Union University. Using the blue will bring up your options. You want to choose Union University Library. Click the box next to it, and then choose Save. This will save your settings, and Google Scholar will show you which articles are available through Union. Tip number 2, be specific in your search and play with your search terms. You might try using quotation marks to tell Google Scholar that you're searching for a phrase rather than separate words. Let's try searching anxiety management in quotation marks. You'll see at the top the number of results. You'll also be able to click the title of an article to bring up that article. You'll notice on the left-hand side when Union has access to this article. Sometimes our first search terms don't bring up the results we want, so we may need to try different options. We can try rearranging the words, rephrasing our search terms, or thinking of synonyms. So let's try management of anxiety instead of anxiety management. This will bring up some of the same results, but also many different results. You may also want to try using the Advanced Search option. Clicking to access the Advanced Search option, click the 3 lines, and then choose Advanced Search. In the Advanced Search option, you'll have the choice of finding articles by a specific author, articles published in a specific journal, or published within a specific date range. You can also play around with how Google searches your search terms. Next, you might want to make connections as you're searching. If you have a good article, you can use Google Scholar to widen your search. Type the title of your article in the top of the search bar within quotation marks. When the results come up, your article should be at the top of the list. You'll see Cited By. This tells you articles that were cited by your article. The Cited By option will bring up a list of articles that mention the article you found originally. You can also use the Related Articles option. This will bring up another results list of articles that have a similar topic. Lastly, if you're working on a longer-term project or you want to start searching and come back later, you may try the Create an Alert option. To create an alert, click Create an Alert. Type in your email and say Create an Alert. This will send you an email whenever a new article is added to the Google Scholar database that matches your search terms. If you need any help with using Google Scholar, please contact a librarian and set up a research coach appointment. Thanks for viewing our video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this or comment if you have a video suggestion.